Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll tell you how to install BeeTV on your Firestick. So let's get right into it. So first of all, Firestick doesn't allow third-party apps by default, so we need to enable apps from unknown settings. Here's how you'll do it. Go to Settings, My Fire TV, click Developer Options, turn on Apps from Unknown Sources. Now, let's head on to the Downloader app. So from home screen, search for downloader, click download and install, and open the downloader app. Now enter the URL, which will be now to install the BeeTV, open downloader and enter this URL, which will be official BeeTV APK link. Now click go and download the APK. Once downloaded, click install. Now that BeeTV is installed, let's set it up. Open BeeTV app from apps and channel. Now, great necessary permissions will be required and you can easily enjoy unlimited streamings now. So that's it. You have now BeeTV installed on your Fire Stick for free streaming. I hope this video was helpful and easy for you. Thank you so much for watching.